Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna do Chanel unboxing, which I didn't expect to do because this is actually not mine. It's my friend's. She was so kind to lend me this bag just for the video. I really wanted to share with you guys even though I didn't purchase this. This is a season bag and from cruise line 22C. Let me open quickly and share with you guys. So I didn't expect this gonna be that cute. But when I saw in real, it was much better than I thought. So yeah, just this is it. And as you can see, it's a mini bag. I was surprised compared to the price of this, it fits a lot. So I'm gonna show you what fits inside as well. Let me reveal the bag of my friend. So this is a little bit unique material, I would say. Mixed material, half leather. Ta-da! This is vanity bag in black color. Oh my god, so pretty in rear. So you can see front part, there's a like leather stitch in the middle, and you can see the Chanel logo on the top part. And when you see, this is a lambskin. The chain color, hardware is a champagne gold color. So pretty in rear. Because this is crochet knit, which is usually you see this as a knit top or like from clothes ready to wear. You can see crochet knit, right? So I was surprised they think about using crochet knit on the back. This is from 22C and vanity with chain in black color. And the price is $2,750. Isn't it amazing? Right now, pretty much all the like small leather goods, even walk. Everything is like over $3,000, right? In USA. But this one is less than $3,000. Very good price, I would say. Front part and the side, you can see the crochet knit. And in the middle, stitch in leather with a chain. It's like same as this, but like here in the middle. This is very unique feature, I think. And the top part is a lambskin. Shiny lambskin. Love it. And the bottom also, lambskin. When it's all over like lambskin leather, you know, it can easily get scratched. This is really good actually, especially in black. I don't think there's another color. There's only black color. It is a season bag. And the back part also lamb. Bottom, the back part and top is lambskin in black. And the side and front is crochet knit. Let me show you what fits inside. Right now I'm taking video with my phone, so I can't put in my phone. But when I try iPhone Max, phone will fit for sure. This is big enough. This is less than $3,000. Can you believe? Since this is season bag, you are not gonna see next season. So if you wanna get, you need to hurry and ask your SA because this is the end of season. So I'm not sure you can still get it. If it's available, if you like it, you need to hurry because next season, I don't think the same style will come. So let me open and quickly put something inside. Oh my god, so pretty. So let me open. Isn't it pretty? So this is made in Italy. I can see the chain inside. You can wear like that. This is so good. I'm gonna show you Moshe later how long it is. I love this chain, so pretty. And good thing is this hole is pretty big. When you're not wearing, when you keep it, you can just put inside like this, just like this. So it doesn't scratch the other side of like leather part. Starting with 31. There is authentication card. You know the SLG still has authentication card instead of microchip. So this is starting from 31. So there is a 3 section. 1, 2, 3. 3 section of the card slot. You can put 3 cards in 3 card slot. 22C, vanity in chain, and champagne gold. So this is a really good deal, I would say. You know, these days it's very hard to find something under $3,000 unless it's like wallet. It fits a lot. Let me show you quickly what fits inside. Same black lining, close lining. Here you can put like lipstick or something. So let me try to put lipstick quickly. Hermes lipstick. So let me put this lipstick quickly. Wow, this is amazing. Very practical than I thought. See, you can put this lipstick. Amazing, isn't it? Car key. And I think this might be a little bit too big for this bag. Then maybe I can put card holder, but let me try. Oh, it fits. Amazing, right? Actually, it fits pretty much everything. Wow, I am surprised. This bag is amazing. You can put even small size classic wallet inside. And if you want, you can put even card holder. Yeah, I would say you can put pretty much many things. And of course, the phone fit. That's amazing. See? So many things fit. So let's say if it's really closing. Oh my god, see this? Wow, I'm impressed by the size and the price. This is really practical bag. Just personally, I would love to get square size of vanity. That looks proportionally more beautiful to me, but this is really practical because you can put iPhone, the big size. Also, you can put small size wallet, which is pretty big, you know. Chanel small size wallet is pretty big. I put even card holder together and the key and lipstick. Yeah, so this fits a lot. Really good deal. I would say you need to get it. If you like this style, you need to get it. You can't find something under $3,000 this kind of practical bag, and it's so pretty. I think it's gonna go well with any outfit because it's black, crochet, kind of casual vibe. So this is nice to have. So I highly recommend this bag. This is very practical bag, and you can also feel different like vibe. Maybe sometimes you can wear this way to show like leather part. Also crochet is more like casual vibe, so you can wear with casual style outfit. So I think this is a really good deal. Hope you enjoyed my video today, and next time I am actually reserving for the next season, which is January 3rd week. The new season is coming, so wait for it. I am reserving some clothes and a bag, which I really wanted to get. There are so many cute things, so I'm gonna reveal next season, which is 22P, very soon. So wait for it. See you soon. Bye.